Hey there, so this is a sales tax tracker Google Sheet, and I have an Excel spreadsheet for this also. So this works the same. This demonstration is in the Google Sheets. So if you are trying to collect and report sales tax, this is a great sheet to use. And if you just want to have and focus on sales tax on this sheet, this is a great one to use. I do have other sheets that are like income and expense trackers, other things like that, but this one is really focused, really honing in on your sales tax. So at the bottom, there's 3 different tabs. So you just have to click on the tabs to get to which one you want. This one is going to be the instructions tab. So when you get this, the YouTube video instructions will be right here when I'm done with this. And then this is the sales tax tracker, and then this one is a blank one for you to just use on your own. If we go here, I'll just go in here at the very beginning. I'm going to double click, and it's going to give me the option of putting in a date. Now, to right off the bat, this is a Google Sheets option, and it doesn't show up like this in Excel if you're using Excel. So you would just have to manually put in the date. So we'll just put in the date for the 17th. If we're using Excel, we just want to just delete that, and then we'll just put in just like that. Okay, and then the items, so say we're going to buy ourselves a laptop. I'm going to hit tab to get over to the next cell. And then the descriptions, I said this is a Dell laptop, and I am just throwing this out there saying this is going to be $2,500. Now the tax rate is going to automatically put in my tax and total cost for me. I can highlight this and then say if it's 5% and hit enter, it'll put that in there. Let's do the percentage sign. Okay. And then the state, so say you're in Georgia and your county is Fulton, you can put that as well if you wanted to keep track of that. If you don't, that's fine too. So this is going to add up all of the sales tax that's on here. And so I highlighted and dropped it down and brought it all the way down. And so it's showing the sum here, which is the total sales tax that you've collected here. And then your total income, that is going to be right here. So that is going to be everything that is in this row is going to be right here. So that's total income. So that is the price of the product plus tax, and that's the total cost. This isn't complicated, showing shipping and all of this stuff. If you want to add more columns and you want this to be a little bit more complex, that's fine, go for it. This is your sheet. So when you get and purchase this, you can make a copy and then do whatever you want with the sheet. Just don't resell it, but you can do whatever you want. So if you wanted to say add another column, you would right click, and then so you just click on the J, right click, and insert column to the right. And then you can put in, say, we could say that this is, shipping cost. Okay, and then if you wanted this to have all the little lines like this, you could easily just copy this and then paste it there and then make it shipping cost. And then you would just highlight all the things that are there already and then just hit the delete button, and then all your lines are there. So that's how that would work if you wanted to make another column. If you didn't like the color, highlight all of this, hit this little fill color button, and put in another color if you like green or whatever color you want. So that's essentially how this works. It's a really, really easy sheet to use. If you wanted to print this out, just hit the print button and make sure it says fit to width, hit next, and then choose which number of sheets you want. You don't want it to print all 10 pages because these are all blank. And then choose the number of sheets, and then that'll work. Also, with the blank sales tax tracker, you can just use this at the very beginning and then not have to worry about all my samples that I have on there. So that's really it. I have tons of other tax sheets. If you need them, I've got a tax deduction tracker. I've got donation trackers and tithe trackers and a tax prep checklist. all sorts of things. I've got a huge text bundle. So if you needed more, feel free to look for that. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope you have a wonderful